be careful with that, bro. Yo,
Onion.
be careful.
Biology is my favorite of the different sciences that I studied. So when I was in high school like you, I took all the sciences. Biology was my favorite. And when I went to college, I studied biology. That was my major. I was a biology teacher at the very beginning. I taught biology and physics. And then the next year, I taught physical science and chemistry, and I haven't taught biology in about 20 years. I'm super excited to get back into it, again, because it's my favorite subject.
Which one are you doing?
Kids are getting to use microscopes to look at animal and plant cells, their own cells in terms of animal cells. So they're looking at cheek cells, and they're looking at two types of plant cells: onion cells, which don't have any green to them, but you can see and distinctly see cell walls, and then parsley cells, which are very, very green. We don't even dye those at all, and we're looking for chloroplasts along the way. This is always a fun lab. Everybody gets to use the microscopes. They don't have to share the microscopes too much. We have enough that there's plenty to go around. You get to make your own slides. You get to dye the slides. You get to see something that's really, really tiny, and you can't see it with the naked eye, all of a sudden just show up in front of your eyes, and it's really neat to see that.
I trust you.
They have to, in this particular lab, they have to wear closed-toed shoes, and so if they don't bring their closed-toed shoes, they can't participate in lab. They have to wear an apron that covers up their clothes because we dye two types of cells, and those two dyes will stain their clothes basically forever. So they wear an apron in case something falls on top of them. If they get it on their hands, they've got gloves, but if it gets on their hands, the skin cells themselves will come off over time, and so it'll just wear off at that point.
And then when you do, make sure you don't like.